Everybody, today I be working on my sand. Okay, I need to figure out how to recover that gold fast, easy, and lose impossible less that gold to lose. Okay, so I brought some bucket, not full bucket, I can't carry heavy stuff, but little bit at home, because here I have little bit better situation than next to the river, and I try to work with this sand and try to find a way to process impossible possible more gold for less expense, like okay, so that is enough. If I need more, I know where there is. And main thing, guys, you need to test that. Learn how to do the test. Another way you can find this gold. Okay, this gold is invisible almost. Okay, if not even looking with the microscope, you barely see. And I have my eye already trained to see that gold, but if you just like a beginning new person in this gold, you never see this gold. Okay, I already have one friend came in here. I show him that gold and he couldn't see it till I show him how I do those chemicals. And I see what this one's like a rock looking, but this is a clay. And I crushed one of those clays yesterday. It's full of gold too. Okay, so this is a clay, guys. Look, I can break it. Okay, it's some kind of sand with the clay. It makes like a stone looking, but have gold too inside. Okay, so now after this experiment, when I found a way to see that gold recover, I'll be going to the river and found more places where the gold is, and I show you guys too. Then you'll be sure that in every river we have the same thing. Here I have little bit bigger pieces, and right now I want to, I think 50 mesh this one. So I want the possible smaller particles, because that gold is very small, so I don't need to have big pieces. Okay, and that way I'm working till I figure out how to do it. Tools, we need to have a tool, guys, so I'm working on that. And I'd like to have a shaking table, but where water is running, I guarantee this gold goes away. I don't think so the shaking table can catch it. Okay, so I'll be using today black sand, which one I collect in the river with the magnet, and I be using mostly that to see how I can recover that gold, because black sand is easiest way. It covers everything. Then you take a magnet and collect that all black sand, and what's left you put in the chemicals. I right now show you exactly what I do. Okay, because telling one, but I see a lot of people still don't understand what I'm doing here. But it's not my problem, guys. I getting gold. If you want to get gold, turn on your brains. Not everybody, but some of them. Okay, you need to start thinking what you see and try to repeat what I do. Okay, that way you can get that gold. Another way is just waste of time. Okay, so I continue classifying, and then I just add little bit black sand, and I be panning with the bucket. Okay, we'll see. Let me classifying this material, smaller particles, transferring to some kind of square pot. Not pot, it's just like, I don't know how in English. All that sand. Okay, now you see I have nicely sand. And now what I do, remember I say I need to have a black sand. Black sand I putting on this surface, okay? And then I putting water. Okay, and this is, guys, not how to do it, or this is my experiment. If it works, works, no works, it's up to you. You need to do everyone different way till figure out how to get that gold out. Because what I do sometimes, I just testing. Like right now I testing this bucket, not bucket, is how tray, to try to get that gold out. So right now I betting, this dry sand, this swims everything on the surface. So I need to make a bet, and then of course that black sand goes to the bottom, okay? And you see, slurry, I'm making like a slurry, and then try to make the gold is heavier anyway, it goes to the bottom. So all I cleaning till the bottom, and this is just experiment, okay? I don't know if it works or no works, but I filming like a crazy one without I do better do the work than waste the time. But I want to show you too, because as many people around the world have what the same rivers, but they don't know where to look for the gold. The gold is here. You just need to know how to take it, okay? Not everyone can have a mine. Not everyone can have a big equipment to crush the rocks and everything. And this is the easiest way to get the gold. Shaking. So I need two hands, guys. I be panning regular way, but remember I put the black sand. That black sand prevents the gold from running away. It goes on the bottom and keeps the gold in. And my goal right now is to wash all this useless sand, okay? And then I will see. I take that sand and check it again with the pan, do still gold left or not. So right now let me pan it. Look, I regular way panning like normally, is throwing that sand out like with the pan, but everything is by like 45 degrees, and all gold supposed to come in one corner. Or here, straight in the bottom. And now I already see black sand is coming. Okay, so that much is enough. Concentrate. Okay, you see the black sand sitting, all black sand sitting in here. Okay, so and underneath the black sand supposed to be gold. So let's see. Now I transfer to the pan one more time just to see how everything works. Actually, we can just put in the beaker and no, first I need to remove the black sand. So many things, I'm forgetting what I'm doing. We don't need black sand, so that black sand I be removing. Let's get rid a little bit more of that sand. See, black sand holds the gold, and this is what is on the top is a sand, so I need to get rid of that. Okay. Okay. keep in mind, gold is very small here. Okay. And I need to get rid of all the sand. This is just waste material. Now I'm shaking and turning, make the black sand get even on all surface, and then I take a magnet. Where's my magnets? And I collect all the black sand. Okay. Okay, I collect all black sand. Windy. Okay, what's left is little bit heavier material, but that is enough to do the test or recover whatever. If I be working on big amount, I can say I recovering gold. Okay, and now not even can little bit more eliminate that sand because gold is heavy. If I put that in that corner, top part, I can just get rid of that. No, it's okay. Experiment. Now I transferring to the beaker. Everything to the beaker. Well, from that big amount of sand, left just this much. Of course, if I look, not even, I don't see any gold. Oh my goodness. So now what we do? Now we do this. We're adding some potassium nitrate, little bit more because here can be pyrite and all those useless metals. And add maybe not even water, a little bit to dissolve that stuff. Okay, and then adding hydrochloric acid. Okay, 100 milliliters total I have. And I'm putting on the heat. Let me clean a little bit on the sides. The sand can contain gold too. Okay. You see, some kind of iron or something is there. I don't wash with the hydrochloric acid anymore. It doesn't matter. If there is gold, I right away get it. Okay, on the heat and wait. Okay. It got hot. You see brown gases coming. It means nitric. Getting nitric, and gold is dissolving in this moment. So we will see what we get. Okay, let me work on that. Boiling well, bubbling well, and I'll be waiting till all bubbles stop coming. Okay, as soon as they stop coming, time to filtrate and then continue with precipitation. Okay, so you see reaction is almost over. It's just boiling water right now. It's a little bit too hot maybe, but it's okay. And I'm taking some sample for this. Okay, here I add some urea. You see this granules, and I'm putting this what I got, and little bit work on this with pipette to make dissolve that. So right now when we adding urea, if we see the blue spot, purple, let's put very little up. You see what's going on? Yeah, too much. Okay, there is gold, not so much. Adding more. Yeah, there is gold. It's no problem. Okay, just need too much solution and need to filtrate this stuff and concentrate. Put back on the fire. You try to evaporate half of that, and then do precipitation. Another way is not so strong. There is gold, but it's not so strong. Okay, looking, putting in solution is right away black, so that means solution have gold. So now I just filtrate and how say it, aerate, put on the heat. I put a cotton filter and I'm filtrating that solution. Okay, let him work for till it's finished filtrating. Then I wash the beaker. Okay, and start the operating. And I'm a little bit add water. Okay, wash the all material because they're everywhere gold. And have rest. We can throw it away. Still some kind of black stuff. Okay, but that is not reacting with the nitric, so it's okay. Not finished yet, but I already can put on the heat, let him aerate. Okay, putting heat maximum and let him aerate. We got about 50 milliliters, less than 50 milliliters. No, when it's finished, be about 100 somewhere. It's just don't want to waste my time. Let him aerate right away. Okay. So I got about 62, 63 milliliters. So washing filters. Okay, already washed. And aerate till 50 at least. Okay, I need to concentrate that because I have too much water inside. Need to aerate. Okay. About 10 milliliters. So adding right now urea. And we can precipitate. Oh, you see the bubbles coming? It means it's working. Still killing nitric, the noxious nitric. Let's transfer to the beakers. Okay, one more beaker. Maybe that smaller one. Let him cool down now. And then we do precipitation. Yeah, I try to put in the cold water. Yeah, as soon as I put it, the beaker broke, you see? Hole. Everything went inside. That sometimes happen like that. So let's see. Can we see the gold in this case? Oh my gosh. Let's see how many adventures I have. Always something. No? Now I put stannous chloride. And we'll see, do we have a gold in this very low density. It's gold anyway, it coagulates and falls down on the bottom, so I just need to leave it this beaker for a while. See, changing color and put away. It takes a little bit more time, and then we filtrate that solution. See, you see how much water? 250 milliliters on one beaker, and now slowly that everything became purple. See, purple. So let him stay on side and coagulate and falls down on the bottom. Then let's see, when you get like this, you doesn't matter how much water you add, you still get purple. You see purple color? Okay. And that accident happened, but it's okay. So now let's add stannous chloride on this ones. See? That way I need to be done, but what to do, accident happened. I lost one more test tube, but it's okay. And another one. So let him coagulate, then I filtrate and I get everything back. So no need to get so scared. Okay, you see, everything became black. That means we have gold, guys. We have gold, and we lost one little test tube. It's okay. I still have a lot of them. Filtrating already one finish. Now this is last beaker, which one still have, and later on I be filtrating that big. Let him work. Filtrating this black stuff. Let's see, do we catch some gold or not? Okay. All this accident stuff. Look, it's clean. With the gold, without gold. Yeah, we don't lose nothing. Just filtrate that water, that's it. And here is almost finishing. So I not do smelting today. I need to play a little bit more, and then we will see what's happened. But you see, filters catching gold. Nothing left, all clean. So everything works fine. And I'll be collecting those filters, drying out. One day when I have a little bit more, I'll be smelting. Today, my goal was to see how this works, how to recover that gold different way. I use that bucket, not bucket, or tray or something. So, okay guys, have a nice day. Bye-bye.